Hi, I'm Richard with the Data Success Team. Welcome to Dataedo Bootcamp. In this first video, we're going to talk about Dataedo Portal, which is the interface that the majority of your users will access to get into the data catalog that you're building. In other words, this is the single source of truth that you want to build. This is Dataedo Portal as you will see it when you log in. On the left side of the screen, you see the sidebar menu. You can use this to quickly access different aspects of the data catalog. For example, the business glossary, the catalog, which is the data dictionary, report catalog, and so on. This is most useful for people who are somewhat familiar with the data catalog and they want to browse and find what they're looking for. For other users who are not familiar with the catalog, we have this convenient search bar where they can enter terms like this, and Dataedo will suggest to them popular choices that may be what they're looking for. If they don't find what they're looking for, they can always go to advanced search and use the advanced features there to further define what they're looking for. In this case, we are going to click on the person table, and that takes us to a detail page about the person table, where on the Overview tab, we get the metadata, the description, and other information about the table. Other tabs there give us other metadata, such as looking at the columns and what they mean, and the data lineage, and so forth. Notice that we have on the left side, a panel has appeared that's called the Object Browser. If you had entered through one of the choices on the sidebar menu, the Object Browser would have appeared, allowing a person to dig in and locate what they're interested in. The main part of the screen here is called the Content Pane. On the right side of the screen, we have two icons. This icon opens the Community panel where comments about the objects will appear. In this case, there are no comments. The other icon opens up the Notification panel where you can see notifications about objects that you have selected to follow. You follow objects by clicking on the notification bell or turn off notifications by clicking that off. The other part of this screen is the upper right-hand corner where we have the user profile, where users can manage their profile information. We also have the settings gear where administrators will set up things like user management, and the editor selector icon, where those people with editor permissions can toggle between a view-only mode and an edit mode. Back on the home screen, we do notice in the lower right-hand corner, Dataedo does tell us what version it is running. And as you know, you must keep your versions of the repository, the web portal, and your desktop installations all on the same version. This allows you to know where you're at. Also there we see information about what repository this web catalog is connected to. There are occasions when it is necessary to create more than one repository, and if you do, you must have a separate portal installation for each one. This just allows you to quickly recognize which repository you are connected to. The next video, we're going to talk about the Dataedo desktop and the parts of it, so I will see you there.